Hello and welcome to today's pandemic update video for Monday, October 17th, 2022. 47.11% of all counties in the U.S. are at high levels of transmission. Substantial transmission makes up 25.33% of the counties. Moderate makes up 21.82% of the counties. Low makes up 5.74% of the counties. Taking a look at today's variant proportions. BA.5 makes up 67.9% of the cases, BA.4.6 makes up 12.2% of the cases, BQ1.1 is 5.7% of the cases, BQ.1 is 5.7% of the cases, and BF.7 is 5.3% of the cases. BA.2.75.2 is 1.4%, BA.2.75 is 1.3%, and BA.4 is 0.6% of the cases. Taking a look here at today's cases, 28,419 cases were added. 326 deaths were added today. The total of deaths is now at 1,067,081. Total tests, 224,024 tests added today. Hospitalizations. This doesn't make much sense to me. For some reason, there was a significant drop in the number of people hospitalized. I'm thinking it's a glitch, because the HHS did the same thing today. 24,316 people in the hospital. That's down by 1,721. I would like to hope that's real, but I don't think it is. I think we're going to see it go back up either tomorrow or Wednesday. Currently in ICU, 2,833. That is actually down by 241. So again, I think there's something wrong with the HHS. And I think we'll probably see it go back up either Tuesday or Wednesday. Whether it goes all the way back up remains to be seen. Taking a look at the map here. Florida is now up 87% on cases. Illinois is up. Kentucky, big increase. West Virginia, Kansas, New Mexico, and some other places having increases. California, Texas, and some other places are down slightly still. Texas reported 4,658 cases today. Florida reported 3,553. New York State, 2,872. Illinois, 4,116 cases reported today. Let's actually click on Illinois, shall we? Let's see where they were last week at this time. So today's the 17th, and as you can see here, last Monday, because of the holiday, they did not report. So that's probably likely the reason why we're seeing some of these states, again, showing such high numbers, because they reported this Monday while they haven't reported last Monday, and that offsets the B&O percentages. New Jersey, 1,099 new cases. Virginia, 2,656. Wisconsin, 2,219. Colorado, 727. Kentucky, 1,875. Maryland, 783. Puerto Rico, 474. Arkansas, 235, Connecticut, 280, New Mexico, 743, West Virginia, 680, Idaho, 354, Delaware, 464. Here's the HHS, and let's reset this back to the national. You're going to see here, 24,553 people in the hospital, only 3.65% of all beds being used are for coronavirus. Percent of overall beds being used has dropped. That's a good thing. 75.78%. Taking a look at Walgreens, the national positivity is up 0.5% to 26.2%. Testing is starting to, it's not going up yet, but it's close to starting to go back up again. 40,223 versus only 41,544 the previous week, so it's not far off from going up, and hopefully in the coming days it does go up. As you can see, there are a lot of states here that are either slightly rising or starting to rise, and the only thing that's preventing this difference from being higher is the fact that you have some states like, here we go with Idaho, down 6.7%, New Hampshire's down 10.7%, and Mississippi's down 9.1%. But at the same time, you also have places like Connecticut, up 3.7%. They're now over 30.7% positivity. Virginia, 26.9% positive. Tennessee, big rise, 8.1% to 24.1% positivity. Alabama, 19.7% positivity. New Mexico, 35.5% positivity. Oregon, 34% positivity. Utah, 25% positivity. Let's do a couple more. Nevada, 30.3% positivity. California, the positivity has dropped again to 26.8%. And finally, Texas. Texas continues to drop, 19.6% positivity. Speaking of Texas, Texas on the state dashboard is 6.63% positive, and notice here it is continuing to drop, but it's not dropping as fast. We'll have to see, though. I still want to see if Texas can get down to 5% before the next wave comes in. Hospitalizations in Texas continue to drop. 1,078 people in the hospital. New York State, as we said, 2,872 new cases. That's 6.8% positivity today. We did not get an update on hospitalizations from New York State, but the previous update does have them at 2,731 with 274 people in the ICU. Alrighty, that does it for today's pandemic update. So overall, what we have to watch is we have to see if the hospitalizations correct themselves back higher over the next couple days. And we have to watch and see what cases do this week. New York State's a big state to watch for hospitalizations. We should hopefully get an update out of them tomorrow or Wednesday, and we'll see if there's a significant jump again in hospitalizations. Because the trend, as you can see here, since about the middle of September, has been upward. But the cases in New York State have not been. And that might be something that we have to watch for in other states going forward. I'm going to be watching for that in my state here in Pennsylvania. Alrighty, thank you for watching this video. Remember to continue masking everywhere you go. And remember, hit like and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this or anything else we do on the channel. Thanks for watching.